Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated TV stands. Setting up your brand new 4K TV on a rickety tiny table with just enough room for its base is not something you want to do. Aside from it doesn't look good, there's a big chance that your TV might topple over. So before you buy any old TV stand, think about its size, design, and functionality, as it can make or break your whole entertainment center setup. With the proper TV stand, you are confident that your television will have a safe place to call home. Additionally, a high-quality TV stand may go above and beyond by offering adequate storage space for all of your gadgets, as well as design that suits your taste. In this video, we have provided you with a list of the top-rated TV stands available. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the TV stands that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier for you to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first TV stand on our list is the Ameriwood Home Carson TV stand. The stand measures 20.5 inches in height, 63 inches in width, and 15.75 inches in diameter when fully completed, and it is a device that 2 adults assemble it. It is made of particle board and aluminum and has a contemporary look. It also has a stylish modern design with a variety of wood-like finishes and metal support posts to choose from. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Ameriwood Home Carson TV stand a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: large slots. It has large slots cut in the back that make it easy to pass cables through. Open space and shelves. The open space and shelves under the television and in the center of the unit respectively will provide ample storage for game consoles, home theater equipment, and other items. Adjustable hinges. The cabinet's hinge can be adjusted, allowing you to open and close effortlessly while also providing a decent amount of hidden storage if you need to hide additional wires or anything else. 6 metal support posts. This stand has at least 6 metal support posts, providing it with a considerable deal of solidity. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy this TV stand is, don't place a television that is larger than 55-inch at most. The second TV stand on our list is the Walker Edison Wren Classic TV stand. The Walker Edison has a lovely traditional style that would look great in your living room. It has an espresso finish and 4 storage cubbies behind the glass doors, as well as an adjustable shelf to accommodate all of your entertainment devices, such as a cable box, gaming console, or even another TV. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Walker Edison Wren Classic TV stand a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: rear cord management system. This TV stand features a rear cord management system that allows for quick cable access without creating a tangle behind the cabinet. 2 doors. The 2 doors on this cabinet will keep DVDs, CDs, and other media accessories in their separate compartments, while the central area will have ample space for large video games or Blu-ray players. Uniquely designed legs. This TV stand's unique legs provide stability even when many heavy items are stacked high on this white hardwood TV stand. Entertainment center. The entertainment center combines a classic style with the on-trend rustic farmhouse vibe and will be a timeless element in your living area. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy this TV stand is, some pieces were quite heavy. The third TV stand on our list is the VASAGLE TV Stand. This TV stand has a lovely weathered aspect to it, and the painting was done with elegance. It radiates a vintage feel without being shabby or worn out. We would like to highlight that the slanted legs, which are painted the same color as the rest of the stand, give it a unique overall look. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the VASAGLE TV stand a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: easy to assemble. The process of assembling this TV stand is easy. The instructions are well written and the pieces are number labeled. 2-tiered open shelf. The 2-tiered open shelf is spacious with plenty of room for consoles and media players. Easy to open door. It has a door that opens with a single push and is held open by magnets screwed into the door. Cutouts at the back. The cutouts at the back of the shelves on this TV stand are large enough to accommodate multiple wires in each hole. You can drill out more holes at the back to make way for more wires. 2 adjustable shelves and 3 cable holes. It includes 2 adjustable shelves in the center and 3 cable holes, allowing you to customize your storage area. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy this TV stand is, it is quite expensive. The fourth TV stand on our list is the the PERLESMITH Universal TV Stand. This universal TV stand has it all, including a 15-minute installation time, 2 mounting choices for the TV bracket, and 3 height adjustments for the TV plate to accommodate a variety of applications and TV sizes. It's also a good option if your TV is too big to fit on top of a dresser or a table with a narrow top. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the PERLESMITH Universal TV Stand a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. TV mounting bracket. The TV mounting bracket is compatible with Samsung, Sony, LG, Sharp, Insignia, Vizio, Haier, Toshiba, Element, and TCL. Black tempered glass. Its black tempered glass adds a touch of class to your home theater system while also ensuring security and stability when mounting your gadgets. Easy to follow instruction manual. This TV stand comes with an easy-to-follow instruction manual and all necessary components for quick and easy installation. Universal TV stand or base tabletop stand. It comes with a universal TV stand or a base tabletop stand that can be used to place your TV or AV components on an entertainment center, desk, or table. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy this TV stand is the TV base can only fit VESA 600 by 200mm and 600 by 400mm mounting holes that are 16 inches or smaller. The 5th TV stand on our list is the Whalen Payton TV stand. This TV stand features a patented design that allows you to display your flat screen in 3 different ways. There are swivel-mounted, wall-mounted, and tabletop displays to choose from. It can also handle most 65-inch flat panel TVs weighing up to 135 pounds, allowing you to design your entertainment center. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Whalen Payton TV stand a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Swivel mount capabilities. With the swivel mount's capabilities to pan 45 degrees left or right, you can establish the ideal viewing angle or keep it classic with your TV on the tables. Curved legs and 3 open shelves. This sleek console has contemporary design with curved legs and 3 open shelves. The shelves are black and the legs are finished with a warm brown cherry that goes with almost any design. Spacious storage. The stand has plenty of storage space for your media components, gaming systems, and other accessories. Easy to assemble. The hardware comes in a bandolier of separately packaged and labeled parts, making inventory and assembly a breeze. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy this TV stand is there are many parts to assemble. The 6th TV stand on our list is the PERLESMITH Mobile TV Stand. This is an incredibly solid TV stand made for slightly smaller and lighter monitor mounting needs that offer good height and shelving adjustment options and integrated cable management. It also offers secure mounting for most 23 inches to 55 inches televisions and monitors weighing up to 55 pounds and is compatible with VESA mounts from 100 by 100mm to 400 to 400mm. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the PERLESMITH Mobile TV Stand a 3-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Removable mid-shelving. The removable mid-shelving on this TV stand can carry things weighing up to 22 pounds. Height adjustment. It offers a height adjustment feature that lets you modify your viewing position. Cable ties. You can manage the cable with the cable ties to keep things clean. 15-degree tilt TV. It offers a 15-degree tilt TV to lessen reflection from light or windows, as well as muscle and neck aches. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy this TV stand is you can't move the shelf with no tools. The 7th TV stand on our list is the WAMPAT Farmhouse TV Stand. The WAMPAT TV stand is made of the finest wood grain surface and features sliding barn doors for easy access to all necessities. It also goes with any decor style and improves the attractiveness of your living area. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the WAMPAT Farmhouse TV stand a 3-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. High-quality steel bar. It includes a high-quality steel bar that ensures that the doors move smoothly and last for many years. Multiple cable management and groove design. It's simple to organize your audio receiver and DVD player with this TV stand's multiple cable management cutouts in the rear panel and groove layout on the tabletop. Clear instruction. It includes clear instructions which has straightforward illustrations and descriptions. 2 cabinet storage spaces. This industrial media console features 2 cabinet storage spaces on the sides with barn doors, offering ample storage or display space for CDs, DVDs, gaming consoles, decorations, and more. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy this TV stand is the instructions get confusing around steps 6 and 7. You have to exert more effort to complete it. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated TV stands which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next TV stand roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at thetrustedshoppingguide.com again soon.